Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just go here to the gesture shortcuts and tap to the launch camera section. Now just as can you see, by double press to your power button you can launch the camera, and also by the double press your down volume button when your screen is locked, you can also launch the camera. And just to turn it off, here tap on the switchers and you will just disable the quick launch. And now as can you see, we just turn off this function. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.